everyone. Hi everyone. Today's clip will guide you how to use the software. Help us post automatically across all groups on Facebook. First, we're going to need to scan out the groups that we want to post. This is my own tool scraper. Will help us scan groups by keywords. And this part is just one of the features of the group scan section. We'll enter a keyword here to scan the group. Any keyword that we want. After the keyword, we will set up how many groups to scan here and select which accounts to scan. Click Start to Scan. The software will automatically scrape out. Give us the groups on Facebook. There's this keyword, and will give us all the information. I'll show you Excel later. So we've scanned about 700 groups. I will pause and output data. Here we will have all the information, these groups. And the most important part is the group ID. We'll need this group's ID to post. Now I'm going to copy all these IDs. It's entirely possible for people to filter groups according to the number of sensor members or not to have the best quality groups. In this demo, I'll take all of these groups. Now we've got groups to post to. Now I'm going to go into a software, help us post automatically. All the accounts I have are here. Nearly 300 accounts. Automatic posting to all these groups. We go to the post section and post for the group. Here we will select the accounts to post. Post. For example, I would choose these demo accounts. Then we will select the content. The content here is the content that we're going to post. Next, we're going to choose groups to post on. I will post a maximum of 1 account here. 3 group assembly for demo. Now we'll just need to enter the IDs that we just scanned out here into the software to post. Say we have content and have the groups. We will now start posting with these accounts automatically.